The market isn't random. It isn't driven by indicators, patterns, or opinions. Every move you see on a chart is the result of buyers and sellers agreeing or disagreeing on price. Most traders are taught to predict. Harmonia teaches you to observe. This is not about signals or shortcuts. It's about understanding how the market actually operates. The market doesn't move because of lines on a chart. Support, resistance, trend lines, patterns. If those controlled price, the market would respect them. Instead, price cuts through them constantly. That's because price moves due to participation. Orders enter the market. Inventory shifts. Agreement forms. Disagreement creates expansion. What truly matters is not where someone thinks price should react. What matters is where real transactions have already occurred. Those areas represent memory. Most traders guess. Professionals observe. Every candle is a negotiation. Every range is an auction. Some prices attract participation. Others are rejected almost immediately. Harmonia does not predict. It describes. It measures acceptance, rejection, and equilibrium. Acceptance is where price spends time. Rejection is where price moves away quickly. Equilibrium is where buyers and sellers agree. Most indicators attempt to forecast the future. Harmonia reads the present. Probability in trading is misunderstood. Most traders believe probability means prediction. In reality, probability represents participation. The auction naturally forms balance and imbalance. Price gravitates toward equilibrium. When price moves toward extremes, one side of the market is pressing inventory. Reversals do not happen because price is high or low. They happen when acceptance fails. Markets move in phases. First comes accumulation, where inventory is built quietly. Then manipulation, where emotion is introduced. Finally, distribution, where intent is revealed. Most traders enter during manipulation. Professionals wait for resolution. Harmonia makes these phases visible without guessing. Tight ranges show accumulation. False breaks expose manipulation. Expansion confirms distribution. Harmonia does not give entries. It provides context. Bias comes from where price is accepted relative to equilibrium. Entries come from observing behavior near key auction zones. Invalidation is simple. If price accepts beyond the level you are trading against, the idea is wrong. No hope, no emotion, no confusion. This clarity removes hesitation. When you watch real charts, the pattern becomes obvious. Price pauses near equilibrium. That is agreement. Price fails at extremes. That is rejection. The trade is never the level. The trade is the behavior around the level. Harmonia doesn't force trades. It filters bad ones. Support and resistance are opinions. Harmonia is evidence. Support guesses where price might react. Harmonia shows where price has already agreed. Once you stop guessing and start observing acceptance, the market becomes honest. Harmonia is not a signal generator. It will not fix poor risk management. It does not reward overtrading. It rewards patience. Context first. Execution second. When Harmonia defines structure and systems handle execution, emotion disappears. This is where consistency lives. The market does not reward prediction. It rewards alignment. Alignment with structure. Alignment with participation. Alignment with the auction. Harmonia is not a shortcut. It is a lens. A way to see what price is actually doing, not what you hope it will do. From this point forward, you don't need more indicators. You don't need more opinions. You need patience, discipline, and the ability to read the auction as it unfolds. The market is not random. It never was. Read the auction. Ignore the noise. If you've been fully engaged and attentive throughout these past few minutes, from beginning to end, you now understand something most traders never learn. The market doesn't reward predictions. It rewards alignment. Alignment with structure. Alignment with participation. Alignment with the auction. Harmonia isn't a shortcut. It's a lens. A way to see what price is actually doing, not what you hope it will do. From here on, you don't need more indicators. You don't need more opinions. You need patience, discipline, and the ability to read the auction as it unfolds. That's Harmonia. Read the auction, trust the process, and let the market come to you.